Welcome to this tutorial. Keyboard shortcuts are one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow in Gridbox. Once these shortcuts become part of your workflow, page building becomes faster, more efficient, and much more comfortable. The complete list of Gridbox keyboard shortcuts is available in the Shortcuts dialog from the left sidebar. In this video, we won't review every shortcut. Instead, we'll focus on the most important ones that we use every day and show how they can improve your editing experience. Please note that all shortcuts in this video use the Command key. On Windows and Linux, replace Command with Control. Saving the page is one of the most common actions while working in the editor. Instead of moving your cursor across the screen to click the Save button, simply press Command-S and the page will be saved instantly. Just like saving a page, undo and redo are actions you'll use constantly. Rather than reaching for the toolbar, use Command-Z to undo your last action and Command-Shift-Z to redo it. This is much faster and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Copy and paste are the foundation of page building. A large part of the editing workflow involves duplicating existing content instead of creating it from scratch. To copy an element, press Command-C. To paste it, press Command-V. Keep in mind that these shortcuts work not only for individual elements, but also for entire content structures. For example, if you want to duplicate all the content inside a column, simply select the column, press Command-C, and then Command-V to paste it. As you can see, this is much faster than opening the context menu every time. Copy style works in a similar way to copying an element. To copy an element's design style, press Command-Shift-C. Then select another element and press Command-V to apply the copied style. Cut is one of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. To be honest, I rarely use drag and drop in Gridbox. Instead, I prefer using Cut to move elements around the page. To move an element, simply select it, press Command-X, and then press Command-V to paste it in the new location. The Cut command also works with entire content structures. For example, if you want to move everything inside a column, just select the column, press Command-X, and paste it wherever you need. For many editing tasks, this is often faster and more convenient than using drag and drop. Deleting elements is another basic editing operation. To delete the selected element, press Function Delete on Mac, or simply Delete key on Windows and Linux. We highly recommend making these keyboard shortcuts part of your everyday workflow. They can completely change the way you work in Gridbox, making page building faster, smoother, and more efficient. The more you use them, the more natural they become, helping you get the most out of the Gridbox editor. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.